Hello Year 4, it's Miss Martin here, and today we're going to be doing our 8 times tables, but we're going to be doing them on the counting stick. Okay, so let's think. What times table did I say we're doing today? That's it, it's the 8s. Okay, so who can tell me what would go, or shout out your screen for me, what would go here? And say, think we're doing the 8 times table, so what's going to go here? 1 times, that's it, 1 times 8, which is 8. So I'm going to put that on the end of my counting stick here. Right, brilliant. Who can tell me then, if there's 8 here and I've got 10 slots on my counting stick, what's going to go here? Like 10 slots on my counting stick, we're doing the 8 times table. Shout out your screen for me, what will go here? Yes, it'll be 80. How many 8s are 80? How many 8s are 80? It is 10. Well done. We got 10 times 8, which is 80. Oh, I don't have any blue tack there. Let me use a little bit from this one. Right, so I've got 80 at the end. Right, let's think. If I've got all the way up to 10 and 80 is right at the end, what will go right in the middle on my counting stick? What's going to go right in the middle on my counting stick? Think. This one is 10 times, and we've got 80. What is half of 80? It's half of 80. That's it, it's 40. So 40 is going to go in the middle on my counting stick because 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, so I'm going to put 40 on the middle of my counting stick there. But I've got 8, I've got 40, and I've got 80. So we've got 8 here. What is double 8? What is double 8? That's it, it's 16. 8 times what makes 16? How many 8s is 16? It is 2. Well done. 8 times 2 is 16. So I'm going to put that on my counting stick here. Right, listen carefully. What is double 16? What's double 16? Have a little think. Shout out your screen once you know it. It is 32. 8 double 16 is 32. How many 8s make 32? How many 8s make 32? It is 4. Well done. 8 times 4 is 32. So I'm going to put that on my number line here. Right, getting a little bit trickier now. What is double 32? Have a little think. Double 32. Shout out your screen for me. And it is 64. 64. So 4 times 8 is 32. What times 8 is going to be 64? Have a think. 4 times 8 is 32. What times 8 is going to be 64? Well done. It is 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, I like that one because that's a little rhyme. 8 times 8 is 64. You go, I ate and I ate till I was sick on the floor. 8 8s is 64. So we've got 8, 16, 32, 40, 64 and 80. Right, let's have a little think now. What goes here on my counting stick? Go 8, 16. Shout out your screen for me. Well done. It is 24. So how many 8s are 24? How many 8s 24? Well done. It is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So I've got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. What's going to come next? It is 48. Well done. 48. How many 8s are 48? Think. 5 times 8 is 40. So how many 8s is going to be 48? It is 6 times 8. So I'm going to put my 48 there on my counting stick. Right. Now, what's going to go here? Give you a clue. It's Miss Martin's favourite one. Favourite one. So who can tell me what will go here? Because we go 40, 48, and it's 56. How many 8s are 56? How many 8s are 56? And it is 7 times 8. So we've got 7 times 8 is 56. Okay. Oh, I've got one gap still on my number line because it's not quite complete. One gap on my number line. Shout out your screen. What's going to go here? Well done. It is 72. How many 8s are 72? It is 9. We should know that because we did our 9 times table last week. So I have now got a completed number line. If I carried on after 80, shout out your screen, what would come next? and it would be 88. Well done. How many 8s are 88? It is 11 times 8. Okay, so if I've got 88, what would come after that? I've got 80, 88. What will come after 88? Have a little think. What comes after 88? Give you a clue. Add 8 on, and we will get to 96. Okay, how many 8s would be 96? And it would be 12. Well done. Okay, if I go back the other way on my number line, I've got 8 here. What would go right on the end of my number line here? Guava tree, no, I do this all the time. What will go on the end of the number line here? It would be 0, because anything times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 would be 0. What about before that? What will come before it? So we'd go 8, 0, and then it'd be minus 8. Okay, just checking that we remember our minus numbers. Okay, we're going to count up along our number line. Okay, we're going to count up and back. You do not go faster than my finger. Count in time with my finger for me. Okay, I'll do the first one with you. So we've got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Brilliant. What would come after 80? What will come after 80? 88, then 96. Well done. Okay, now we're going to go back down again. So we've got 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8, and then we'll go there, 0. Well done. Okay, we're going to do it again, but this time I'm not going to say all the numbers with you. Okay, so you're going to be looking really carefully at the numbers on the screen for the count on my counting stick. Okay, so again, don't go faster than my finger. 8, 40, 80. Well done. Now we're going to go back down. Okay, so we're going to go 80, 8. Well done. Okay, you can keep practicing this. You can take the video back if you want and keep practicing counting up and down for your 8 times table. Okay, and next time we do the counting stick, we're going to start taking some numbers off to make it a little bit more tricky. Okay, well done your times tables today, and I'll see you for our next times table video. Bye, Year 4.